Hello my gingerbread and jelly bean, welcome again. No, today is Tuesday and I also want to say I'm almost at 200 subscribers. Yay me! But I'm supposed to be touching 200 subscribers, or I've already reached there. I haven't checked it yet. I'm heading out right now to go look for my auntie and stuff like that. Hold on a second, let me fix the camera. Alright, I'm back. So I'm going to look for my auntie and stuff like that. But I just wanted to touch base with you guys and say thanks again to all the new subscribers. Thanks to the old subscribers, my jelly bean and gingerbread. I love you guys. Thanks for the support. The video that I made about Delos it has been bringing in a lot of viewers, a lot of views and stuff like that. And I really appreciate the guys that actually stick around and subscribe to my channel and find substance in my content. I really appreciate you guys for that. Now, today I just want to talk about being single and what it's like to be single, because I'm single, surprisingly. A lot of people don't know this unless I tell them that I'm single. And I'm always with my close friends, so they know that I'm single and stuff like that. You know, I've been single for a while, but yeah. So for me personally, being single, it's okay. You know, it's not one of the best things to be single, knowing that you're getting older and you have plans, you want to settle down, you want to have kids, and you just want to have somebody there to support you and just be there for you and be there with you and enjoy, you know, good times, bad times, you know. You kind of, that's the type of things I look for when I'm talking to somebody. I kind of want that. I want that companion where love is there and everything is there. You know, when I'm stressed out, I want her to be there for me. You know, that's the type of relationship I like. So not having all of that, you kind of have to be self-reliant. You have to be, you know, self-sufficient to an extent where when you're having your issues and stuff like that, you have to just calm down and know that, hey, Mark, it's you. No, you alone. You have your friends and your family still, and you can reason with them. So you kind of filter over that to them. But sometimes you just need like that special person to just reason with and share stuff with, but they're not there. So that's one of the cons of being single and alone. You don't have that, like, you know, you don't have that special person. Or sometimes you want to go on dates and stuff like that. So, you know, you coming? Sorry, I'm letting people slide past. Yeah, so sometimes you want to go on dates and you don't have anybody to go out with. So, you know, you're lonely and you don't feel the vibe to go out anymore. But then, you know, you just have to be strong in yourself. Because what I do, I just be strong. I just motivate myself. I just, you know, cheer myself. I try to, like, stay focused. But when you actually, like, we are human beings and we're not made to be alone. Regardless of whatever situation you're in, and you might be lonely for a while or single and stuff like that, it doesn't mean that we're made to be alone. We're made to be with each other, man and a woman. We're made to be together, to procreate, you know, to have fun, to marry, to settle down, live together, help each other and stuff like that. So we're hardwired that way. That's why we have friends, although people hurt us and a lot of us stay away from people, but we are made that way. We feel good when we're around people, and it's in our gene. It's hardwired in us as human beings. You know, we're creatures. Just like animal, you have a herd animal, you have, you know, a group, you have you know, a school of fish, you know, stuff like that. You guys get what I mean. But yes, so what I do is I just occupy my time. I find things to do. I talk to my friends and family and just try to be happy and stay focused. So that's how I kind of deal with being single, and just, you know, cope until I find somebody. But the thing is, when you have been in a relationship where you were happy and you have, you know, you found that one person that really gets you and understands you for who you are and love you and care about you, and sometimes things happen. Like sometimes it's your fault, sometimes it's my fault, sometimes, you know, it's your partner's fault, they break up with you and stuff like that. But it makes no sense you go around blaming people. Things do happen, and sometimes you get back down the road with that person. Sometimes, you know, you go your separate ways and you grow and you find someone else. So the point I'm trying to make is that things happen sometime, and we just have to push on. We just have to find love. We just have to keep searching, you know, search and try to be back in that place where we really want to be, because a lot of us really want to be with somebody and be happy. I know say we're going to have kids and be mothers and fathers, you know, grandparents, you know, and stuff like that. And I'm like passionate about family. I'm family oriented, and I kind of love having family around, and I want my own family and raise my kids, you know, teach them how to play sports, them walk for the first time, you know, those kind of mushy. Listen to this, you know, man, a general, but you guys understand what I'm saying. So this is just how I cope with, you know, being single. You know, this is some of my aspiration, you know, some of the things that I want to have, you know, when I get older. As I'm older, as you can see, beard up. But yeah, so in the comments below, tell me if you're family oriented. Tell me what you do to cope. If you're a single person, tell me what you do to cope. Give me some tips, you know, some of the stuff that I can do, you know, as a single man, you know, going out, some of the things I can do to have fun, you know, and stuff like that. If you guys want to hook up with people, you know, bust somebody in the comments and hook up, you know, this can be a dating comment thingy. But yeah, I'm gonna leave you guys right now. Thanks for tuning in again. Thanks to all the new subscribers. Thanks to my old gingerbread and jelly bean. Thanks for all your support. I love you guys. JVLOGS people. I'm out.
No, no, no.